Hi, this is Chia and you're watching Chia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful Father's Day card at home in just 5 steps. So let's get started. First at all, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming craft tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. First one is scale, second one is HB pencil, third one is simple eraser, fourth one is black pointer, fifth one is marker color, sixth one is permanent marker which is red and black, seventh one is glue stick, eighth one is scissor. These two papers I will use white paper for card and blue paper is computer sheet. These marker colors I will use. Blend is not compulsory for you. You can use any type of marker colors which you have. Now grab your tools and let's get started. Step 1. I am using white hard chart paper which is 17 cm in length and 27 cm in width. Now turn it. Now mark at 2.5 cm and draw a line. First step is done, let's move on second step. In this step, I am using this computer sheet. Now cut it according to your tie size. Now draw a line. Now draw a curved line randomly. Now measure it and point at opposite side. Now measure the length according to your card. Now draw again curved line and then do the same process with the other side. Now tie is done, let's cut it out. Erase the lines. Now take blue marker color and outline it. Now create some creativity on tie. Now put it on card using glue stick for pasting it. Second step is done. Let's move on third step. Now I am using scissors for cutting the left or right side for collar. Now turn it like a collar. Now stick it with glue. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. Now I am gonna tell you that I have created these glasses and tie, but I don't like it. So now I am putting a heart on it for hiding it. Now color the heart with the permanent red marker. Put it on the card. Now take black pointer and create a small mustache at upper part of heart. Now I am creating little small mustache on card randomly. You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I? Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. Now I am writing Happy Father's Day at inside of the card, taking HB pencil and write. Now using permanent marker and black pointer and color the words.
You're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you
Now color the border.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now outline the collar.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring. You
Now border the front side of card.
why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. Follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Link is here. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.
Messing with my head again. You had your